this just happened? So, what causes the water to rise?
Air pressure.
But what is air pressure?
Pressure is the force exerted by the air. Air compressed or unconfined on any surface contact with it.
Why does the candle goes out?
It goes out because it runs out of oxygen, which is necessary for combustion.
Why does the water level only rise after the candle was out?
The candle is burning. The heat from the flame keeps the air inside the jar warm and expanded. As the pressure decreases caused by oxygen consumption. The candle goes out, the air cools quickly, creating a vacuum that pulls the water up.
What gas law is the best to explain this part of activity and why?
The best gas law to explain this phenomenon is Charles' law. This explains the relationship between temperature and volume.
What does this gas law state?
Stated that at a constant pressure, the volume of gas is directly proportional to its temperature. Means when the temperature decreases, the volume also decreases.